Hello dear learner, welcome back to the Zoom Chemistry Hub. Today in this video we will discuss and learn the most important topic, that is the mole fraction. So what is a mole fraction? We can define the mole fraction as the mole fraction of any component in a solution is a ratio of the number of moles of it to the total number of moles of all the components present in a solution. For example, suppose there are three components of a solution, that is component A, B and C, and now let their numbers of moles are Na, Nb and Nc, and if we denote the mole fraction of A, B and C as Xa, Xb and Xc, then the mole fraction for Xa is equal to the number of moles of A divided by the number of moles of A plus the number of moles of B plus the number of moles of C. So in simple words, we can calculate the mole fractions by the number of moles of individual component in a solution divided by the number of moles of all the components in the solution. Similarly, if we write the mole fractions of B component, then we write the mole fractions of B is equal to the number of moles of B divided by the number of moles of A plus the number of moles of B plus the number of moles of C, and after calculating we can find the mole fractions of B. Similarly, we can also to find the mole fractions of a component C. So we write the mole fractions of component C, which is denoted by Xc, is equal to the number of moles of C component divided by the number of moles of A plus the number of moles of B plus the number of moles of C, and after their calculation we get the mole fractions of component C. And if we sum of mole fraction of all the component, then we get 1. So the sum of mole fraction of all the component is unity. So the mole fractions of A plus the mole fractions of B plus the mole fraction of C is equal to 1. Similarly, what is the unit of mole fraction? So there are no formal units of mole fraction. Anyhow, we sometimes multiply mole fractions by 100 to get the mole percentage. So the mole percentage is equal to the mole fractions multiplied by the 100. That's for all today, the learner. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and fellows. Thanks for watching.